mistake. Like, you know that like mistakes happen.
No.
Like switch phones for 30 seconds. Like we're not.
Oh, my account is Pile Busiswa.
I tagged her.
Yeah.
I tagged her.
Sister, what is proud?
We wanna follow her. It's. I tagged the account
Yo,
wherever
guys,
I actually
I'm a girl,
posted.
get it.
What happened to Yoli? Okay, let me explain.
Oh.
No, let me explain who's Yoli. Let me explain who's Yoli now. So Yoli is female that like she's my friend. We just talk on the live, we go live together. Right guys? Right guys? We go live together, we just make jokes, me and Yoli. Right guys? Like what support, right guys? Right. Yes.
Yo,
You
guys,
see? No, they're telling the truth. It's just someone that I talk to as friend.
No.
It's never that deep. Right, guys? Right. They know that I would never lie. Why would I lie? Like,
Hi guys, I
would
need
never lie.
believe Yele.
I would
Guys,
never
who is Yoli? Can somebody please be honest?
lie. Okay, can someone join the live to explain?
Yes.
I will allow one person to join the live. Wait. I want to move the way the panel is. I don't want a half screen. I want a... How do you make this? He never met her. Exactly. We low-key don't know.
A close friend. Yo.
It's just someone that like we just friends. Like close friends. Nothing more. So when you don't have like male friends.
I do.
Exactly, you see.
So
I can't see your male friends, then I'm like, Smono never lies. Thank you. Finally someone who understands me. I never lie. Allow co-host invite. How do you do this? Oh yeah. Okay. I'm allowing one person, guys.
to just join and explain it.
Whatever I'm gonna accept, you better be honest.
Yeah.
Oh, dog. Ndang moshele ne.
Khona couple content. Mogel is here, man.
Yo, what's up?
What's good, man?
Nah, Yoli ne, they do lives ne, but they never met. Never once. They're just like homeboy.
Is there a guy who's speaking? No, can I now?
It's a guy. Like he's.
Nina manga nin. Nina manga.
Okay, no. Let me add a girl too.
Listen.
Okay, let me add a girl too. It's fine. Let me add. I don't know her. Let me just add her too. I don't know. Maybe if you can hear from two people, think of what you know.
Yes, Nanguma. It's hello.
I can vouch for this woman.
Yo, I shame.
Yo.
Smalala is selling the shoot. I shame.
Okay.
But like, they're just friends though. It's nothing crazy, nothing deep. It's
I
like
really wish.
go home.
I really wish you all could join right now. You know what? Fudge, I'm only using one phone. I was gonna call Yoli right now, dog.
Show me his lang yes,
Like literally,
I know boys very well.
I'm telling you, I'll watch their lives. Nothing happens.
Wait.
Put it on my life. Nothing happens.
They're flirting in love.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
here's a
see
girl.
your-
Hi, ma'am.
Hey,
How are
How are
you?
you?
yaphila
Siyaphila nathi. Can you please explain ukuthi who is Yoli? Umazi kanjani sibonelo? Just say anything there you know.
In my knowing, ngicabanga abangani nje, close friends.
Dog!
Shut up wena. Oh.
Yo, dog, yo.
Yeah, yes. Carry on, girl. I'm listening.
Where's the lip gloss?
You took it.
Yeah, I took the lip gloss.
Yeah, and you
I
didn't.
gave you the lip gloss.
No, you didn't.
Stand up.
Nantia. Aibo.
Okay. Ish. I feel like the only person that should ever believe they're just friends.
Yeah, guys, they're just friends.
But if there was something happening, wouldn't the whole internet know about it?
Exactly. If we
you
were
think
doing
about
something.
it, the whole internet.
Hey, abangani.
Bawafonela. Who's calling
It's
you?
my main friend.
Oh, it's your
Angisho-
male friend.
Angisho now you also.
Oh, wow, guys. She has male friends.
Sihle hello, mngani.
Mm.
Yeah, live la ngizofonela mangifike endlini mngani.
Ngizokufonela. Oh.
Mngani ngizofonela mangifike
Oh,
endlini.
yeah.
Ngizokufonela, dog.
Sihle.
Ngizokufonela, dog.
Sharp mngani ne. Yes.
Now they're putting the Mngani word at the end.
I
Very
know.
wisely now.
Come on, bruh, he's my friend.
Friend.
From high school, yeah, it's my high school mate friend.
Yoli is my friend from
And Yoli
TikTok.
is Sobonelo's friend only. Since
And mind you, we never even met. Bona bayabonana from high school. And mind you, they are calling each other now. This time.
Aibo.
You know, it's a
Yabona-ke le
it's a
niqala-
late night call.
Abangani, dog.
Now you
Hello,
also
guys.
No, I'm not gonna.
Maranakas, I'm not insecure, so I'm not gonna take whatever that I see as in my head. You know, but she is though.